So today I'm going to show you how to make easy 4-ingredient no knead bread. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. This recipe is in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 2. It has all new recipes and is the companion to our Dining on a Dime cookbook. This is a lay flat hardcover edition with full color pictures. Our quick and easy recipes help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Visit us at livingonadime.com to get your copy today. Okay, I'm going to show you this super simple 4-ingredient bread. It's actually 3 ingredients. I don't count water as an ingredient, but whatever. Warm water. You want your water to be about 110 degrees. How perfect did I get that? I love this digital thermometer just for this purpose. I use my digital thermometer all the time. The link for my thermometer is in the description below. Then you want to take your yeast and your salt, and you're going to mix those two just like so. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you love our recipes and tips, guys. We're going to stir until we get it dissolved. I don't really stir it that well. Then I'm going to add my 4 cups of flour. I start with just about half of my flour. Stir it in, just like so. Start getting it all mixed up. This recipe link is in the description below. Just stir your flour mixture just like so until it all comes together. Then you're going to cover it. I just use a dish towel. And you're going to let it sit for 2 hours. We'll be right back. All right, in 2 hours, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to lightly sprinkle just a little bit of flour on the top, just enough so that you can work your bread. You're going to scrape it down just like so. Then you're going to divide it in half. Then just sprinkle a little bit of dough inside so you can work it. Okay, we're going to divide our dough in half. And then you're just going to put it under like so, one side. See how it's just really sticky, just so I can fold it under so it's got a nice smooth top. Okay, then you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut an X in the top, just like so. Then an X in the top, and then we're going to let this rise for 40 minutes until it's doubled. You can see they are nice and doubled. And I'm going to brush a little bit of butter. Just have a butter thing that's just about done here. You can do melted butter, it's easier. But I was just using up the last of this little bit on here. Then we are going to put this in the oven in the middle, on the middle rack. On the bottom rack, we're going to add a pan with a cup of water and we're going to bake it. All right, as you can see, we have nice, beautiful loaves of bread your family will love. nice and fluffy, delicious. This recipe is in the description below. And in the sequel, Dining on a Time Volume 2, please visit us at livingonadime.com.